Before we get started, we're going to need a couple of things, okay? We're going to need a domain name. A domain, it's the address, it's the web address you're going to use to send people directly to your website. And hosting. Hosting is where your website lives, okay? So we're basically renting storage online so that our website is accessible all over the world, okay? So there are hosting providers like DreamHost, Bluehost, but I'm in SA, I use Host Africa, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to look at the hosting plans. We're going to click hosting over here. You can select web hosting or WordPress hosting. I will recommend you select WordPress hosting. Let's go straight to it. See WordPress hosting plans. The starter will work just fine. You get 20 gig storage. You can host one domain, 125 email accounts. Okay, we're gonna select order. The process is basically the same on all hosting providers, trust me. And it's going to say, hey, do you want a domain name? And I already added a domain name to my cart, which is wordpresstoots.co.za. We select use that domain name. If you haven't, you can select register a domain name. Let's say Sabelo Instructor. Okay, we check if that's available. That's .co.za, and I'm in SA. I would use a domain name like that. It's also available .com, .org, .net. Cool. And then we select. Let's say we select. It says .co.za is available. We select .co.za, and then we go down. We select continue. After that, the hosting company is going to send you CPanel login. That's where we'll start working, which is setting up our WordPress, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the process, pretty much the same on all hosting companies. Now that you have your domain name and hosting set up, you have access to your control panel. This is your back end where we set up emails, install things like WordPress, file managers. We're looking for a WordPress installer, right? The word is Softaculous App Installer. Softaculous App Installer. We select WordPress Manager. Great. As you can see here, this is my live website. So what we're going to do now, let's say you don't have a website and you're installing WordPress for the first time, we're going to select install. So instead of installing on my live domain name, which will replace the files, I don't want to do that. We're going to click staging.september.digital Africa, which is the subdomain I just created. We're going to remove this WP here. Okay, great. Let's go down. The admin, we're gonna change the admin to log into the WordPress. Put in our own password. The logins can be sent to admin at my main domain. Great. We scroll down. And we select install. You can put your email address here to receive installation details. We select install. Now we wait for Softaculous to install our WordPress. So what you're going to use to log into WordPress, you're going to use WP admin in this format, okay? So instead of staging.september.digital.africa, which will go to the homepage of the website, you add a slash WP admin to enter the login mode, which is the WordPress manager mode, okay? So I'm going to do exactly that, which is click the WP admin, wait for it. Now we have WordPress installed. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you need to have set up before you start working on the website. Now that we have WordPress installed, it's time to set up a couple of things, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to pages. Okay, there's default pages that are already loaded here. We're going to delete these. We just select here to select all. Go to this drop down, move to trash. Okay, those pages are deleted. Let's go to trash. I don't want anything to do with those pages. Delete them permanently. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a new page. we're gonna name this page home. Name the page home. Okay, we're gonna save and publish this page. Okay, great. When you preview the page in your browser, open a new tab, as you're going to see, you're just going to see a default, not so great looking web page. Okay, we're going to fix that. And then we're going to go to our settings. We'll go to reading first. Since we're working on this website, we don't want Google to index this site or find this site or crawl this site. Search engine visibility, we're going to select discourage search engines from indexing this site. And then we're going to go to your homepage displays your latest post or a static page. We want it to display a static page. We're going to select homepage. It's going to be our home. So whatever you set homepage, even if it's written contact us, whatever you set to homepage will be the page your main domain lands on. Staging.September Africa will land on what is set here. Okay, great. Homepage. Post page, this is where you can set your blog page. Whenever you're creating a post, the posts show under that blog page. But we're not going to do that here, all right? All right, everything here looks good. We're going to say save changes. Okay, great stuff. That's reading. Let's go to writing. Okay, looking good. Let's go to general. All right, everything looking good. Let's go to permalinks. All right, as you can see here, it says the structure of your links is going to be your website slash 2023-03-27, then the post. We don't want that. That's too messy, right? We want clean links for our users so that they can easily navigate and see where they are in the website. So we're going to change this from day and name to post name. Look at it, how clean it is. It's the main domain, then sample post. So if we want about, it's main domain, then slash about. That's it. Super clean, eh? We go down. We save changes. Boom. Okay, now that we have that stuff set up, we're going to go to add new plugin. I want to add a plugin that will give people a signal that, hey, we are working on this website. We're going to go to under construction. Okay. Sorry, we're going to search under construction on plugins. I think I went too fast there. So this is plugins. And we say add new. Okay, so what plugins are basically like mobile apps on your phone. They extend the functionality of your website. Let's say you want a WhatsApp pop-up, you're going to search for a WhatsApp pop-up plugin where people can click the WhatsApp pop-up, it sends them to your WhatsApp messaging app. Make sense? Plugins are basically tools to extend the functionality of your WordPress website. Okay, this is under construction. After it's installed, we're going to select activate. Okay, we'll go to its settings right here. Settings. Okay, we're going to go to design. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. I like this one. Sorry, we're doing some technical work on the site. It's good for maintenance, but I also like this one more. Okay, this one used to be my favorite. It's pretty much the same. It just shows a lady. Okay, I feel like this one is way nicer. Cyber chick, busy doing some cool stuff. All right, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna hover over here to switch on the under construction. Or we can just go here to main function and switch on the under construction. Okay, we go to save changes. Now when someone types in this domain, oh no, it's because I'm logged in. Let's go to incognito window. Okay, this is what they are going to see. Boom. Sorry, we're doing some work on the site. Thank you for being patient. You can edit that text if you want. Okay, great. Everything looks good. So this is pages. This is where we'll be creating pages. This is media. This is where we can upload image assets. This is posts. This is where we can write blog post. Let's delete this. Hello world. What is that? We didn't write that, right? So here you can add new users, admins, SEO managers for your website. This is tools. If you're new to the WordPress world and would love to polish your WordPress skills, please consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for me. I will see you in the next video.